Good morning. Yes. Okay. Very good morning. Very good morning. Done. So in previous class we are solving miscellaneous exercise, isn't it? So we'll have a continue on that chapter, our discussion. Fourth one. Okay. So fourth one. What is question here? Miscellaneous exercise. Last question. Today is the last class for relation and function. Next class we'll go for trigonometry functions. Okay. Done. But the idea because almost we are in the last point. Find the domain and range of the real function f defined by f of x is equal to square root of x minus 1. F of x is equal to square root of x minus 1. Find the domain and range. Right? So how do you solve this? Nodi, mattonsali bekadre explain ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. F of x is equal to square root of x minus 1. Okay? Right? What is domain? I should replace the value of x so that my f of x is real. Correct? So whatever may be the value of x, you can replace. If I replace x is equal to 1, you will get 1 minus 1 will be 0. F of x is real. Right? Whatever value you can replace, but in place of x, if you replace 0,
minus 1,
you will get square root of negative number. Square root of negative number is not a real, it is a complex number, it is an imaginary number that we will get. Okay? Right. So here, x in place of x, if I replace 0.1, 0.1 minus 1 again negative, 0.2, 0.2 minus 1 again negative, 0.3, 0.3 minus 1 again negative, up to 0.99999 you will get negative. Is it okay? Done. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ನಾನು ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈ ಕಡೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ತಗೋಬಾರದು. There is a real line here, there is a 0 here, 1 here, 2 here. Lesser than this, I cannot take the values.
including 0, excluding 1.
No. Less than one value I cannot take. Less than one value I cannot take. If I take less than 1, you will get negative number there. Negative number is not a real. I mean, square root of negative number is not a real, right? This is not our domain. Whatever is possibility is this, including 1. If I replace 1, okay, correct? So that means what is my domain here? English domain is, do you agree? 1 comma infinity. Is it okay? Is it okay, guys? So this is the idea of understanding, or you can understand like this also. X minus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. This entire term should be maybe 0, maybe greater than 0. Is it okay? Done. So x minus 1 is greater than 0. X is greater than or equal to 1. X is greater than or equal to 1. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ? ಅಪ್ ಟು ಕೇರಳ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತುಂಟಾ? Is it okay? Done. So this is my domain. So x belongs to like this also you can write. This is one way or this is one way. Any way you can write. Now come to domain. Domain ಆಯ್ತು. Come to range. What is range? Range ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ what are the possible values you will get? Correct? If I replace in place of x, if I replace 1, 0 I will get. Correct? If I replace 2, 1 I will get. Root 1 is 1 I will get. If I replace x is equal to 2, root 2 I will get. Correct? If root 2, 3, 2 replace ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 already ಬಂದಲ್ಲ. 2 I said. Oh, sorry. If I replace 3 here, square root of 3 minus 1, square root of 2, is it okay? Square root of 2, you will get square root of 2. Again, if I replace 4, square root of 3 you will get. Correct? So, between these values, if I replace, I am getting the values between this 0, infinity, including 0. Do you agree? Right? Idine ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? For x belongs to 1 comma infinity, y belongs to, y in the sense f of x, y belongs to including 0, to infinity. Is it okay? Do you understand this very clearly? Is it clear? No problem with this. Can we jump to next question? Okay. So easily, guys. Find the domain and range of a real valued function. Second question. F of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1. Find the domain and range. Find the domain and range of a real valued function. F of x is equal to x minus 1. Real valued function. You want me to explain real valued function? If it is so, you write in comment. Okay. Of course you ask me. F of x is equal to x minus 1. It is a function. You need to find out the domain and range. Real values. Real valued ಅಂದ್ರೆ real number ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. F of x is equal to x minus 1. What is domain here? In place of x, if I replace x is equal to 0, again f of x is okay, real number. Any value in place of x, any value I can replace so that my f of x is real. Do you agree? Very clearly. So it is understood that domain is set of all real numbers, correct? Or you can write this. Either you can write this or you can write this. Don't write both in exam. X belongs to R, correct? Or x belongs to minus infinity to infinity. All are same. Okay. Then come to range. X in ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ in place of x I replace 0. I got plus value. Enter is plus value. If I replace x is equal to 0. If I replace x is equal to 1, if I replace x is equal to 0, plus answer 1 only will get, correct? Between this, I mean from the real line or from the real number, any value you can choose and you can replace here, we will get the values. Very nice. F of x belongs to including 0 to infinity. Is it possible to get negative number here? No way. Is it okay? Those who are enjoying this domain and range, write in comment. If you don't understand, then also you ask. If you understand, then also you say something. No problem. Is it okay? Done. Rab, clear udala? Next question. Okay, f is equal to x comma x square divided by 1 plus x square. X belongs to R. Be a function from R to R. Determine the range. Find the range of f. See the beauty. Find the range of f. What is the domain? Domain is a real number. Very nice. Because he has given x is nothing but our domain. Andre x is independent value. It's called domain. Ella independent domain agudilla, but ella domain independent. X belongs to R is the domain. He has given. Okay, no problem. You need to find out the range. Range andre eno? Namu baruvanta answer alla. See, this don't get confused with the symbol. Don't get confused with the symbol. Symbol is a function. Or this f may be a relation or may be a function, we don't know. In this example, it is a function from R to R. Correct? He has given one ordered pair x comma y it is like x comma y. Correct? So in place of y, there is a term x square divided by 1 plus x square, isn't it? Y in the sense f of x, not f of x. Is it okay? Just to confuse you, he has given f. Actually, he should give R. Is it okay? No worry. He has given f, we keep as it is. Is it okay? F of x is x square divided by 1 plus x square. Do you agree? No problem. Now, you need to find out domain alla range alla. You need to find out range. Andre no, for x values, for this x, if I replace the value from this R, what are the possible values you will get for f of x? Is it okay? Directly you want to write or you want to visualize? Directly can I write? Okay. Directly, if you want to visualize, you ask me later. for any real number x square is greater than or equal to 0. Do we agree?
Negative also greater than 0.
Any value x square is always greater than or equal to 0. 0 equal minus 1 again greater than 0 plus 1. It is true. Is it okay? Then if I add 1 on all sides, 1 plus x square is greater than 0 plus 1. I need to find out the value of f of x, correct? So 1 plus x square is greater than or equal to 1. If you want to visualize, you ask me, I'll show some other method. I'll try to show. 1 plus x square, correct? Take its reverse. 1 plus x square. When you take the reverse, inequality will reverse. However, 2 is less than 3. If I take its reverse, 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. When you take the reciprocal, inequality will be changed. Is it okay? Then 1 plus x square is lesser than or equal to 1. Sorry, inequality level. Something we made mistake there. 1 divided by 1 plus x square, isn't it? Correct? Okay. Now look at this point very carefully. Very carefully, yeah? X is greater than 0, correct? X is greater than 0, isn't it? X is greater than 0, correct? X square is greater than 0. That means it is a positive number, correct? So yeah, if I multiply x square here, or x is a positive number, x square here, inequality will not change. Is it okay? Is it okay? Inequality will not change. Done. Nodi. From this, what idea I can get? From this?
Y is greater than
No. I'll keep this as it is. Okay. Have a look on this. Take a screenshot of this. I'll visualize and I'll come to this. If I explain something different, you will not understand. Don't worry. I'll come to this. This is my x. It is my f of x. Correct? The range is very simple. What are the possible values of f of x? What are the possible values you can give? Okay? I can take x is equal to 0. Correct? I can take something plus or minus 5, plus or minus 0.5. Correct? Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 100. Is it okay? Any value you can take. If I take 0 here, this is 0. Is it okay? Then next, if I take 0.5 here, 0.5 square,
1.
less than 1 you will get, point something you will get. Is it okay? Then if I replace x is equal to 1, this is 1 by 1. If I replace x is equal to 1, 1 divided by 1, 1 plus 2, 1 by 2, so 0.5 something you will get. Is it okay? Then plus or minus 2, 4 divided by 1 plus 4, how the log? 4 divided by 5, correct? 0.8 something you will get. Correct? Now, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, so on, plus or minus 100 I get. Okay? 100 square divided by 1 plus 100 square. Correct? Numerator number is less, denominator number is more. Always you will get 0.98 something you will get. Is it okay? One which is never possible to get. That means, so maybe you may get the values here 0.9 or 0.8. Is it okay? One you will never get because the denominator is more, numerator is less. Do you agree? So ಈಗ ಇದು ಕಣ್ಣಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ರೇಂಜು including 0 and between 1 I will get. So my f of x is very clearly 0 to 1. Is it okay? Answer gotaita? Can we apply our previous method now? Is it okay? Done. There is no problem, guys. All of you understand? Yes, very nice. So clearly with full energy. Okay, done. Is it okay? And x square is greater than or equal to 0. 1 plus x square is greater than or equal to 1. Take its reverse. Correct? So multiply positive number again you will get. See, look at this. Look at it. ಇಲ್ಲಿ twist ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Up to this okay? Bahubali up to this okay? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, I am multiplying x square on both sides. X square is both sides. X square is think that X square is positive number, okay? 0.1 can I take? 0.1. If I multiply 0.1 here, 0.1 here, X square is my 0.1 divided by 1 plus X square. For 1, if I multiply 0.1, I get less than 1. No? 1 into 0.1 is less than 1. Is it okay? Is it okay? Then, so what is this? Is it not my f of x? Less than 1. Is it okay? See this condition. Starting value you can understand by replacing x is equal to 0. Is it okay? So clearly, because for the range, technique is only mind. Is it okay, guys? I hope I have convinced you 100% clearly. Is it okay? Any problem, punter idea? Domain range, again I repeat, get the 100% idea. Trigonometry function, you can enjoy like anything. I'm giving you promise, guys. Is it okay? Can I remove? This is my range. Okay? Is it okay? Very good. Can we have the next question now? Okay. Question number 7. I will not solve this. F and G from R to R. F comma G from R to R. And what is the meaning of this? There are two functions. F is a function from R to R and G is a function from R to R. Okay. Defined by f of x is equal to x plus 1. G of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Find f plus g, f minus g, f by g. I'll not solve this, just I'm giving you work, just to an idea, okay? Do you get the confidence in this question? ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾವ್ರು ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾವ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಅರ್ಥ ಉಂಟು. ಡೊಮೇನ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಡೊಮೇನ್ ರೇಂಜ್ any idea, we'll have a discussion, you write in comment if you have new idea. So easy to do, correct? Kana kashta untalla problem? Kana kashta unta? क्या कष्ट होगा और इन्नु चंद बरेगा 4 minus x ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುವ minus x plus 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 minus x ಅಲ್ಲ x minus 4 ಅಂತ minus x plus 4 ನಿಯ x minus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x minus 4 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? minus I should take outside, he will get x minus 4. Now it is okay. Okay, guys, understood? Okay, done. ಹಿಂಗವರೆಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಂದ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಂದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. f plus f by g of x, just replace, keep as it is. 2 thumbs up. Okay, it is no need to explain. So easily, all of you are understanding. Very good, very nice. Question number 8. Let f 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 3 be a function from z to z. Be a function from z to z. Defined by f of x is equal to ax plus b for some integer a and b. Find the values of a and b. He has given it is a function. First w domain, this is domain w, domain box, and it is the codomain box, correct? It is my a and it is my b. Clear cut picture you try to get. First w 1, 2, 0, minus 1, okay? second 1 3 minus 1 minus 3, correct? 1 to 1 relation, 1 to 1 function, 2 to 3 function, 0 to minus 1 function, minus 1 to 3, correct? So from this, f is a function from a to b. From this, what are the possible values I can write? f of 1 equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to 3. That means image of 2 is 3, image of 0 is minus 1, image of minus 1 is minus 3. F of 0 is minus 1, f of minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So easily you can get by the arrow diagram. Any problem? No problem. As per NCERT can we take now? Okay. I'll remove this. See this. This is my x. It is my x and it is my y, correct? That means it is my x and it is my f of x. Andre f of andre ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ 1, 1, correct? x, f of x it is, right? If I replace 1 here, in place of f of 1 there is a number 1. Is it okay? In place of f of 1, 1. In place of f of 2 there is a 3. In place of f of 0 there is a minus 1. In place of f of minus 1 there is a term minus 3. Is it okay? So easily you can get okay. Correct alla? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ here given function is linear function. Is it not mx plus c? Y equal to mx plus c. M and c are numbers. A and b are the numbers. Okay, no problem. Anything you can anyway easily. Can I apply this? First condition. F of 1 equal to 1, we know this. From where it is? From where we know? From the arrow diagram. So easily, in place of x, if I apply this condition here, f of 1 is equal to a into 1 plus b. F of 1 is 1. This is a plus b, correct? Is it okay? You can apply the second condition, but calculation tough. Calculation tough, easy only, no problem. If you want to apply, if you want me to apply second and fourth condition, you tell me, comment. I am solving. Okay. I am going for the third condition. I am applying this f of 0 is equal to minus 1. Right? If I want to apply this condition, I should replace f of 0 here. This is 0 plus b. Okay. Then f of 0 is minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to b. 0 condition if you apply, straight answer you will get. That is the reason. If I put b is equal to minus 1 here, 1 equal to a minus 1, a equal to 2. So a is 2, b is minus 1. So therefore, required function is f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay? You can check it out. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay? 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 3. Is it okay? Then f is a function from a to b. If I put x is equal to 1, if I put x is equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2 minus 1, 1, that means 1 is mapping with 1. Is it okay? Correct? That means this box is okay. We don't have rights to check given question, okay? But still we are checking. In place of x, we are replacing 2. F of 2. This is 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. That means 2 is mapping with 3. That means this is okay. Is it okay? Then next, in place of x 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, it is okay. Minus 1 minus 3 you will get. It is also okay. Check it out. Is it okay? Done. Okay, 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 okay. Question number 9 is homework. One question we have solved. Question number 9. Question number 9 is homework. Honestly, if you don't get the answer, bala dukkadalli nan keli aita. So that once if you understand, you will be happy. Question number 9 is for your homework. Question number 10. Question number 10 also. Question number 10 can you solve? Simple. Relation houdalla, function houdalla ante. 10. Question number 10 is also solved. Let's see. Question number 9 homework. Question number 10 homework. Okay. 9, 10 homework. Okay. We'll go for the 11th one and 12th one. 9, 10 homework na. Last two questions. Let f be the subset of z cross z defined by f is equal to a plus b, a comma b belongs to z. Is f is a function from z to z? Justify your answer. Is f is a function from z to z? Justify your answer. Is f is a function from z to z? Justify your answer. Sir, why you are telling repeatedly? There is a meaning. There is something. A, B. This is like x and it is like y, correct? Don't worry. This is the ordered pair x comma y. A comma b belongs to that. My question is, our question is this f is a function? Is this f is a function? You have to check. When there is a question, blindly we should not say. You have to check whether this function is whether this relation is a function. It is a relation, of course. 9th one and 10th one is all, you will get some idea. A and B belongs to that, correct? Okay. You tell me something number. Okay. F is equal to AB, comma A plus B. A comma B belongs to Z, correct? Any two different numbers you take A and B, so that should be an integer. Any number 2, 4, minus 2, minus 4 can I take? It is all belongs to Z. It is all belongs to Z, correct? This is my A, this is my B. I'll choose two different number. Get my point. I'll choose two different number. What is my ordered pair? I'll get 2 into 4. This is 8. Correct? 2 plus this is 6. Is it okay? Then next. Again I'll choose these two. Minus 2 into minus 4. This is again 8. Minus 2 minus 4. This is minus 6. Is it not our f? It is f, correct? Check it out whether this is a function or not. All this symbol f is not a function. F ಬರ್ದದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ function ಅಲ್ಲ, but ಎಲ್ಲ function f ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿದ್ರು. What did I say, guys? f ಬರ್ದದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ function ಅಲ್ಲ, but ಎಲ್ಲ function ಅನ್ನು f ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿದ್ರು. So clearly done. ಇದು function ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ? 8 ಉಂಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಉಂಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ -6 ಉಂಟಾ? 8 ರಿಂದ 6 ಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, 8 ರಿಂದ -6 ಹೋಯ್ತು. It is not a function. It is a relation, of course, very good. It is a relation, but it is not a function. It is never be a function. Is it okay? But this is the old method, 1947 method it is. That is good method actually, 1947. But how do you write this? F of 8 is equal to 6, correct? Again f of 8 is equal to -6, correct? Hang by the element 8 having two different images. English sentence I'm telling you, the element 8 having two different images, so therefore it is not a function. Is it okay? This is the justification. Justify answer ಬಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ. This is the justification. Any number you take. ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ತಗೊಂಡಾಯ್ತಾ? Okay. Last question. JEM. Last question. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. F is a function from A to N defined by f of n is equal to highest prime factor n. Find the range of f. Yes, given it is a function. See, whenever there is a symbol like this, f from A to N, it is a function from A to N. It is a function from A to N. Okay? It is a function from A to N. Our task is to find out, entire thing is closed. With the last question. 9 and 10 is homework. Our task is to find out the range of f. Range of f, isn't it? How he has defined the function f of n is equal to the highest prime factor n, correct? Okay. Solution for this. See, this is n, correct? This is n. This n we have to choose from this capital N or small a, capital N or capital A. Capital A, capital A it is, correct? There is a x, there is a y. If I take here it is 2, if I take here it is 3. F of 2 is this. That means 2 we have to choose from the first set. This n we have to choose from the first. Is it okay? So clear idea? Yes. Okay. Highest prime factor n alla. Prime factor 3 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಇದು prime factor of 9 ಏನೇನಾಯಿತು? 3 3 9. So prime factors are 3. 3 ಮತ್ತೆ 3. You write single digit. 3 and 3, correct? Then you write all the prime factors. Prime factor of 10. Prime factor of 10. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Is it okay? Right. Prime factor of 11. It is 11 only. Correct? Prime factor of 12. 2, 3, 3, 2. 4 is not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. 3, 2. 3 into 2 into ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಲ್ಲ RRN into 2 times 2 times, so 1 times you consider. It is all prime factors. Okay, then next prime factors of 13 only. 11 7 13 ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದನೇ ಬರೋದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? the number divisible by 1 and itself, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು? f of n ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. n choose from this set A, correct? Because f is a function from A to n. Is it okay? f of 9 I should consider, correct? ಈ f of n ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನವ? f of n is equal to highest prime factor n. highest, ಈ n ಅನ್ನ highest prime factor, ಈ 9 ಅನ್ನ highest prime factor will be 3. Is it okay? Then next f of 10. 10 and the highest prime factor is 5. Here it is. Then next f of 11 only. f of 12, 3 it is. Then f of 13 only, correct? The image of 9 is 3, the image of 10 is this, the image of 11 is this, 12 is this, 13 is this. What are the range here?
5, 11.
Yes, very nice. My range ranges are
3, 5, 11.
3, flower bracket 3, 5, 11, 13. That is the end of this chapter. What is the domain?
Domain is 9, 10, 11.
Domain is the set A. Domain is the set A. Is it okay? Right? So this completes your relation and functions. Okay? New class will start a new chapter. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. Any doubt, you either you write in comment box, or you personally WhatsApp me, or you discuss in group, so that all the doubts should be clear. Okay? Any problem, see the video again and again. It is available in YouTube anytime. Okay? Thank you so much. And one more thing, maintain notes and do all the homework. Okay? Thank you.